Off-road go-karts continue to surge in popularity as outdoor enthusiasts seek exciting ways to explore rugged terrain and enjoy adrenaline-filled adventures. While mechanical keyboards attract gamers and typists with their precision and customization, off-road go-karts offer a similar passion for performance and control in the outdoor world. This guide evaluates the best off-road go-karts and accessories based on power, durability, safety features, build quality, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the perfect ride.
Product 172V 5000 watt motor kit, 6800 RPM electric brushless DC motor kit with 100A Fardriver controller. For builders looking to create an incredibly powerful off-road go-kart, this 72V 5000 watt brushless DC motor kit is an outstanding option. Delivering up to 6800 RPM and an impressive 8.5 Newton meters of torque. This motor kit transforms ordinary go-karts, dirt bikes, and custom electric vehicles into high-performance machines capable of handling demanding terrain. The included 100A Fardriver controller provides smooth power delivery and excellent efficiency. One standout feature is the integrated temperature sensing system, which helps protect the motor during extended high-load operation. This makes it ideal for serious riders who frequently tackle rough trails or steep inclines. The motor's robust construction ensures long-term reliability, while the high power output offers thrilling acceleration. Installation may require technical experience, making it better suited for enthusiasts and DIY builders rather than beginners. Pros: massive 5000 watt power output, high-speed 6800 RPM performance, temperature monitoring protection, includes premium Fardriver controller, ideal for custom builds. Cons: requires installation expertise.
Product 2. Go-kart covers waterproof outdoor, 2-seater universal go-kart accessories. Protecting your off-road go-kart from the elements is essential, and this waterproof outdoor cover delivers excellent protection at an affordable price. Designed to fit many popular models, including Coleman KT196, Baja, Trailmaster, and Mudhead go-karts, it provides reliable coverage against rain, UV rays, dust, and debris. Constructed from durable waterproof materials, the cover helps prevent rust, fading, and weather damage during long-term outdoor storage. The universal sizing of 67L by 46W by 47H accommodates many 2-seater go-kart designs while maintaining a snug fit. The lightweight design makes installation quick and easy. Reinforced stitching improves storability, and the weather-resistant fabric stands up well to seasonal changes. While it isn't a go-kart itself, it's an excellent investment for extending the lifespan of your vehicle. Pros: waterproof and UV resistant, universal fit for many go-karts, durable construction, easy installation, affordable protection solution. Cons:
Product 3. BERG Pedal Kart Buzzy Police Pedal Go-Kart. The BERG Buzzy Police Pedal Go-Kart is one of the best off-road inspired ride-on toys available for younger children. Designed for kids ages 2 to 5 years, this pedal kart combines fun, safety, and durability in an attractive police-themed package. Its 4-wheel stability system ensures excellent balance, reducing the risk of tipping compared to traditional tricycles. The EVA tires provide smooth rides across grass, dirt paths, sidewalks, and driveways while remaining maintenance-free. Parents will appreciate the sturdy frame and ergonomic design that encourages active outdoor play. The direct drive system allows children to pedal forward and backward easily, helping improve coordination and confidence. The compact size also makes storage convenient. While it isn't built for extreme off-road conditions, it's perfect for introducing younger riders to the excitement of go-kart adventures. Pros: excellent stability for young children, durable EVA tires, fun police-themed design, lightweight and easy to maneuver, encourages outdoor activity. Cons: limited age range.
Product number 4. Gyroor Self-Balancing Scooter Seat Attachment Go-Kart Conversion Kit. The Gyroor Go-Kart Conversion Kit offers a creative and affordable way to transform a self-balancing scooter into a fun go-kart. Compatible with most 6.5-inch to 10-inch hoverboards, this attachment creates a unique off-road style riding experience for both kids and adults. Its adjustable frame length accommodates riders of different heights, making it a versatile family-friendly option. The sturdy steel frame provides durability, while the dual-hand steering system offers intuitive control and responsive maneuverability. Assembly is relatively straightforward, and the attachment securely connects to compatible hoverboards. Riders can enjoy smooth turns, acceleration, and braking through simple hand controls. The low riding position enhances comfort and adds to the racing feel. While actual performance depends on the hoverboard used, this conversion kit delivers impressive entertainment value at a fraction of the cost of a dedicated go-kart. Pros: compatible with many hoverboards, adjustable frame length, suitable for kids and adults, durable steel construction, easy steering controls. Cons: hoverboard sold separately.
Product 5. Honeyjoy Go-Kart for Kids 4-Wheel Quad Off-Road Pedal Go-Kart. The Honeyjoy Off-Road Pedal Go-Kart is a fantastic option for young adventurers seeking a realistic outdoor driving experience. Featuring a durable 4-wheel design, adjustable seat, steering wheel, and off-road inspired styling, it delivers hours of active fun. The EVA tires provide excellent traction on grass, dirt, gravel, and pavement. 2 safety brakes offer additional control, while the clutch system enhances the realistic driving feel. The adjustable seat ensures growing children can enjoy the kart for multiple years. Built with safety and durability in mind, the sturdy frame withstands everyday outdoor use. Unlike battery-powered ride-ons, the pedal-powered design promotes physical activity and unlimited playtime without charging concerns. Its vibrant green finish and rugged appearance make it especially appealing to children who love outdoor adventures. Pros: adjustable seat for growing kids, dual safety brakes, durable EVA tires, realistic driving controls, encourages active play. Cons: manual pedal operation only, best suited for younger riders.
Choosing the best off-road go-kart depends on your intended use. Builders seeking maximum power will love the 72V 5000-watt motor kit for custom projects. Families looking for kid-friendly options should consider the BERG Buzzy Police Pedal Kart or the Honeyjoy Off-Road Pedal Go-Kart. The Gyroor conversion kit offers excellent value for hoverboard owners, while the waterproof go-kart cover is a smart accessory for protecting your investment.